Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So who else likes to eat seafood boils? I know I do. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I cook my seafood boil, and these are the ingredients that I'll be using. Okay, and for my dipping sauce, it's going to be this bloves light spicy sauce that I'll be tasting for the first time, and these are the ingredients I'm going to be using in that sauce. So let's get to cooking. Okay, so first I like to boil my red potatoes, and I already washed them and everything off camera. So I'm going to boil these for 15 to 20 minutes or until they're soft to my liking. And while they're boiling, I'm going to be adding my seasonings that I mixed together into this big pot here. So for my seasonings I'm going to use in my seafood boil is Old Bay, red crushed peppers, onion powder, paprika, Creole Cajun seasoning, cayenne pepper, and garlic powder. And then I'm going to pour all these seasonings into this big pot and give it a good stir and let it come to a boil. Okay, so now that I add the seasoning to the water, I'm going to let that come to a boil. And while that's doing that, I'm going to clean off my crab leg. Okay, now that all my crab legs are cleaned off, I'm going to add my crab legs into this boiling seasoned water and let the crab legs boil for about 10 minutes. Okay, so now that my crab legs are finished boiling, they look so good. I'm going to be adding my other ingredients into the pot with my crab legs now. My seafood is all done. So now I'm going to transfer into this clear plate. Okay, now that my seafood boil is done, now I'm going to be making my dipping sauce, this bloves light spicy sauce. So to make the sauce, I use unsalted butter, and I let that melt down and give it a good stir. And while the butter is still melting, I'm going to cut up some of my onion for the sauce. Okay, so my butter is melted, so I added my cut up onions, my garlic, this bloves light spicy seasoning, a tablespoon of vinegar, and then for the liquid you can use chicken broth or water. I use chicken broth. Give a little more flavor. And then you just continue to stir it up to your consistency. And I let it simmer for about 3 minutes. Okay, my sauce is all done. Ooh, it looks so good. And just to give my sauce a little more spiciness, I added some Louisiana hot sauce to it and give it a good stir. Ooh, my seafood boil and that bloves spicy sauce looks so good. And that bloves light spicy sauce was delicious with my seafood boil, so I will be making that sauce again. Well, I hope you enjoyed this cook with me video, and comment down below, do you like to eat seafood boils too? And have you tried the bloves light spicy sauce yet? Well, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.